One of the most iconic games in the past was Farmville with over 28 million players, and Pirate Nation has those founders, along with key team members from Epic Games, Zynga, EA, Activision, and Riot Games. So Amit Mahajan is the current CEO of Pirate Nation, and I think of Proof of Play, which is the blockchain that Pirate Nation is built on. Proof of Play, and it's one of the most active blockchains out there. But that's all just to build on the credibility of the game, and you can start playing today and try it for free, and potentially you could earn some cryptocurrency in their Season 2 airdrop rewards, as well as earning points for the Proof of Play blockchain airdrop sometime in the future. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get started in Pirate Nation, how to play, how to earn, how to stake so you can get points for the Proof of Play airdrop, and a little bit more. So be sure to stick around until the end because you're going to get a lot of value out of it. And if you are a casual gamer, I think you're going to like this. Oh, and then we have some disclaimers. There's no guarantee that you will earn anything, so don't invest in anything unless you actually believe it yourself. You have to form your own opinion, you have to do your own research. I know it's not easy, you just go to the internet and be like, hey man, what's gonna make me rich? Can't do that, can't do that. But I'm just gonna share what I know about this game. And as someone who invested early in this game, it really paid off. Like 40x on my initial investment. So that was nice. There's no guarantee that will continue to happen, but we can look to games like this that have become successful and continue to do well, and look at other games to find similar opportunities. All right, with that, I'm Dan, and let's get started. How to get started playing Pirate Nation. Now, Pirate Nation has finally opened up semi-publicly, but you still need a referral code, and we're going to walk through all the steps of getting started, earning, so you can be eligible for their Season 2 airdrop. So we are at piratnation.game, that is the website. We go to Play Now, and you still need an early access code, and that is a referral link from people like me or other people. I'm going to leave mine in the description, but there is a limit to it, so feel free to share your pirate referral code if you want to help get other people onboarded into the game. And you also get rewarded for that in the form of points for their Season 2 airdrop. So here we are, I am submitting my code here, and then we get to select a pirate. I'm going to go with this one. And then we can link it to an email address or a Google account or Discord. Now we're almost ready to get started. We can either set up a crypto wallet, or if we have no idea what that is or how that works, we can have them create a wallet for us. So we select the second option. What is a crypto wallet? Create one for me, and we're also going to agree to the terms. Are you sure you want a new wallet created for you? If you already have a crypto wallet, you should not select this option. I know most of my viewers are crypto savvy. You would just connect your MetaMask or Rabby wallet or whatever mobile wallets you have. It works like any other decentralized application. You scan a QR code or you link it in the Chrome extension. But this is for people that don't use crypto wallets. This could take a minute. We're setting up your accounts. Oh, music's playing. We're there. We're almost there. Here we are, Pirate Nation. Also, this video is not sponsored, but I would like to share that I am part of Retail DAO. It is a group of crypto investors trying to learn from each other, sharing alpha, and you're invited to join for free, and it's free right now. You just have to fill out an application, and if not, then it's going to be open for everyone if you're watching this video a few weeks from now, because you can't know everything in crypto, and everyone has a different specialty in certain sectors and blockchains, and it really helps to share this collective wisdom so we can find the best opportunities together. So if you want to get started, there will be a link in the description. And now we can start playing. Now the game looks a lot better and more functional in full screen, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to keep it in window mode. So first thing we need to do is quest for booty, and then you can select that one lightning bolt. Then we can craft a ship once that is available. So this is a fully on-chain game, and all these transactions happen on a blockchain. So next we're going to craft a ship. Alright, wage war on the high seas. So we've done the first two quests by just clicking a button and waiting, and now we are going to jump into a battle, and we're going to see what that looks like. But before that, we have this prompt coming soon, Season 2, 2-day streak. You want to play consistently, and you get these multiplier bonuses for participating in Pirate Nation. And you will get a referral code eventually. I think you have to meet some requirements by playing for a while and leveling up your pirate and getting to these higher tiers. So we're going to close that out, and we're going to start a battle to get comfortable with this process, because this is the tutorial stage of the game. So that's our ship, these are our opponents, and we want to use the cards we have available to defeat them. And we have 5 cards available, and we have 5 energy points. Each card has a different energy level. So we want these freebies first that are 0 energy, and then we will have a little bonus here. You can see that we are going to have a 10 damage shield, and we're going to have an additional critical hit for our next attack. I'm going to use this attack because it hits everybody, and then we just want to run through our energy, trying to defeat these one at a time or all at a time if possible. Now, each of our opponents has an icon under them, so we can find out what that means. They are going to evade 1 direct attack this turn, and above them is their next attack, which is going to be deal 15 damage. So I'm just going to start using things. I'm going to just burn that attack. It's going to miss, but that's fine. And we are just going to continue attacking until this battle is over, and then we'll run into the rest of the game. And that's it. We got our victory, and this is a battle 1 of 5. In the daily gauntlets, there are 5 battles that you can compete in normal mode, and then they have a more difficult hard mode. But for now, we're going to go back to port to see what we can do. So we get our daily news here in the ship's log, and we can close that out for now. And we want to get our pirate here. You can see this little present box, and we're going to click that. Now this game is fully in a browser, and they'll soon launch it for mobile, but for now we do have to be on a computer to play. And you can click around to move your character, and if you hit spacebar, they'll also jump. And if we use the arrow keys on our keyboard, that's going to move the camera. Now we have a ship here on the right, and if we click that, we can move around the world. Now I am using the keyboard arrow keys to move around, and you can also just click around too. Now if we want to get off the ship, we just click on the island, or if we're on the ship and we just want to get off, we just hit spacebar. They'll jump off the ship and they can swim to shore. You click around, and then this is the part of the game where we are collecting resources. So here we're gonna mine some iron, and every time we mine something, it's gonna bring our energy down because there is a cost to mine resources. And then here we have some cotton, we wanna mine that as well. And you can see our energy level goes down as we mine all the cotton available at this point. And if there's nothing else here, we can continue our journey exploring more of these islands. Now, whenever you play, the islands are going to have different resources, so you can really explore every day and get a slightly different experience. Here we have a tree, and that is some wood resources that we want to collect, so we're going to click on that and collect the wood. And here we found a pirate chest, but a lot of these pirate chests have different level requirements. So if we hover over it, we see that we need to be level 10 to open this thing up. And this is essentially how all the different islands work. Now, if we want to quickly return to our home port area, all we have to do is hit this home icon at the top right, and we're back. Now, there's a few things we could do here, and there's different ways to access all these different pages. Let's say we want to go to this center and look at our crew page. You can select the building and then the icon in the lower center as it appears. If we want to go to crafting, we select the building and then we select the icon at the lower center. But the easiest way to jump around is actually this menu bar on the left, because it'll just directly bring you between the different pages. So we see here that our pirate has gained experience and they're ready to level up, but we don't have any marks to level them up. So we have to do some quests or some bounties. So I'm going to go to quests here, and we can do crack that crate, and that burns off 30 energy. and it gets us a few resources. Now the resources we got aren't going to appear immediately. We have to close this page and then select this question mark bag at the right. So you can see all the different things we earned. We earned some cotton, iron ore, wood, and marks. Marks is the in-game currency that is used to do different quests and level up your captains. So there was a slight issue and my balances didn't update, so I just refreshed the page and that got everything to appear correctly. And now that we have some marks available, we want to level up our captain. So we can level this guy up, and every time they level up, you get more booty points and you get an additional card for the Gauntlet. So you have a bigger selection for battle. Now, the more you level up your captain, the higher the points are, because it gets increasingly difficult to level them up, and you are rewarded for that proportionally. Now, we can still continue to level up this captain, but we need more marks, and that requires us to go back to quests and do what we can to earn more marks. Now, there isn't anything we can actually do right now because we don't have any resources, so we're going to have to fight in the Gauntlet some more, and that is accessible by this icon with the skull on it. We select it, and then we select Gauntlet at the lower center, or again, we hover over the left bar here and look for the shark icon and select Gauntlet, and then we continue fighting here. But jumping into more of these quests, you can see that there are different requirements, whether it's energy and gems, just energy. Let's say we want to do Might Be Murdoch's training guide. You would need a wooden oar, cotton net, and an iron anchor to participate. And if you do this quest, you would get 125 experience points and 10 marks. And to get those items, you'd have to craft them. So if you want the iron anchor, you'll need at least 3 iron ores. The cotton net requires 3 cotton, and the wooden ore requires 3 wood. We're not going to do that right now, but you can see at the top right, there is tasks. We're going to bring that up, and you can complete these different tasks for additional rewards in the game. So these are the in-game quests. Now the game is a little repetitive, as in there is a loop to it where you can play these daily battles. There is a limit of how many times you can play. There's a limit of the amount of energy you can get, and that means you can only collect a certain amount of resources every day. There is only so much experience that your captains can receive every day, and that's what kind of makes it very easy and casual and a little bit addicting, where you can play, but you want to play a little bit more, and you can't. So that's why some people make multiple accounts, and that's what I did. But it turns out when they did the airdrop that it worked out to be a lot better to have a concentrated amount of playtime in one account, because there were exponential bonuses to that. But essentially, that's how the game works. Now, if we go to booty points, that's when we can start learning about what we need to do to collect more points to be eligible for the next season's airdrop, so we can get cryptocurrency for free. So we are in booty points. We can see these different quests where season 2 hasn't been fully announced yet, so you don't know how much you're going to get, but you can see that you are going to get bonuses if you have certain types of pirates, if you have a level 30 pirate, and you also get bonuses based on your current pirate levels. They can be the free pirate that you just got. You get bonuses for marketplace purchases, for using their blockchain. You get bonuses for playing every day, so spending 100 energy daily, completing different quests in the game, and Gauntlet Battles 1. So there's going to be more to it, but essentially you want to do all of this as much as possible to make sure you get a decent airdrop for playing Pirate Nation. And there's also referrals. You can earn booty points for referring other users. So there are multiple paths to that. And if you want to share your referral link, please do so in the comments. And, you know, if you don't want to use mine, that's fine. Use someone else's. Help out other people that just want to get started playing Pirate Nation. The proof of play airdrop. So we want to get some proof of play points as well if we're already playing Pirate Nation, but it does require an investment. So there's 2 ways to get proof of play points. One, you stake the pirate token, so you would have to buy the pirate token and then stake it onto this website, piratenation.foundation/stake. or you would need to buy a Pirate Nation founder NFT, and they can be a little bit expensive. So there is some risk when the price is that high, but you earn proof of play points. Now, yeah, this looks like a lot of points, 10 million points, and I earned this in less than a week. But that doesn't mean I'm going to get 10 million tokens, or it might, but that doesn't mean it's going to be worth a lot. So right now, I do have one founder NFT that is being staked, and I am staking the Pirate Nation tokens that I got from their airdrop. So right now, it's no additional risk to me as an early investor, but for you, there's some risk. So I just want to give you those warnings before you participate. But if you do, you earn these proof of play points. And when the proof of play blockchain releases their token, very, very likely you're going to get an airdrop. How to stake your pirate token. So we are at CoinMarketCap. We want to look at the contracts, and it is only available on Ethereum. So we are going to need some ETH for gas fees if we are going to stake our pirate tokens. And if we want to get our pirate tokens, they are available on most major crypto exchanges, Coinbase included. And for myself, I use BitGet. I do have a referral link that will get you a discount because it is going to be cheaper to buy BitGet there because of the lower fees. So I've already bought some pirate on BitGet, and I'm going to withdraw that. We are going to bring that over to our crypto wallet. I am selecting the network. It is Ethereum. And then we want to get our wallet address. We're going to copy that. And then back at BitGet, we paste in that address, and we are going to withdraw all the pirate we have available. All right, so the pirate we withdrew is now available. It is in our wallet. We are connected to the PirateNation.Foundation website. We're going to hit max, hit stake pirate, and then we're going to confirm this transaction. And our pirate has been staked. That's it. Now we are staking our pirate, and we are earning additional proof of play points. All right, so you learned how to start playing Pirate Nation. There will be more updates in the future. Hopefully they're going to launch on mobile within the next year, where more people get access to the game, and they might not even notice that it is a blockchain game because all of that is happening behind the scenes. Now, if you want to get started, you do need a referral code. You could use mine or you could use someone else's. Please leave your pirate code in the comments and feel free to use someone else's because you are helping them gain points for the airdrop. And there is a limit to how many codes can be used, so I encourage you sharing it. Also, be sure to check out Retail DAO. We will be doing some interesting things in the future when it comes to collective wisdom and sourcing content. And I'm just one person. I can only learn so much, and most of the things I learn about crypto I hate, so it's really hard to find those gems. And if you want to share gems or find them, Retail DAO might be the source for you. All right, if this video was helpful, you know what to do, and with that, I hope you got your full value for today.